Sometimes small businesses overlook marketing, but this is where you as the decorator comes in, where you can provide samples for them to help promote their business. So I have here a tote bag that we are going to decorate for a dance school. We also have an apron for a restaurant, and I have a long sleeve tee with a fitness gym logo on it. So let's go over to my heat press and I'm going to show you the application. First, we are going to decorate our long sleeve tee for the gym. And first, we want to preheat our t-shirt to remove moisture and wrinkles. And the graphic we are using is Goof Proof from Transfer Express. At 365 degrees for 5-second application time, medium pressure. It is a hot peel, so we are going to remove the carrier right away. Next, we have our apron. Preheat the garment. Release moisture and wrinkles. Our graphic is Goof Proof from Transfer Express. Five-second application, medium pressure. For our next application, I'm using Ultra Color Max, so I will need to adjust the temperature on my heat press to 290 degrees. I will also need to adjust the time application for Ultra Color Max to 12 seconds. For the tote bag, I already inserted the heat printing pillow, so that way all of the seams and the straps can fall right off. So first what we need to do is preheat the tote. And the graphic we are using is our new DTF Ultra Color Max. So with Ultra Color Max, we will need a cover sheet. Our temperature is set at 290 degrees. Application time is 12 seconds at a medium pressure. Let's look over our completed looks. For these samples, it might cost you about $5 or $6. But think about how much far greater that return is if that local business absolutely loves your idea. For example, this tote that we decorated for a dance school, think about the student. He or she can put a water bottle in here. They're going to need a towel, snacks. Kids need their snacks. And also, next, we have an apron for a restaurant. How cute is it to add a logo of the business than just having a plain black apron that your coworkers are wearing? And then finally, we decorated our long sleeve tee with a gym logo. People love receiving free items. Think about how these are going to put an investment in local businesses and put an even bigger investment in your pocket. If you like everything that you see, subscribe to our channel. And if you would like more information on what I pressed for you today, click the link below.